Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this one we'll be looking at upgrading the current version of Virtualbox that I have to a newer version. There's a new 6.0.14 that's released, as you can see here, and it's available for downloading this link. I'm just going to click on that link and download the software. There it is, I clicked on the link. I'm on Chrome at the moment and it's downloading this file. It'll open in a couple of minutes. I'm running Virtualbox on Windows, so this guide is only for Windows. So while that's downloading, I'm just going to click OK on this button and close Virtualbox and open the installer and run. Just make sure Virtualbox is not running in your system tray. So here's the welcome wizard. Now let's just go next, next. Network interface, that's fine. That's okay. So this is going to uninstall the previous version and install the newer version of Virtualbox. There we go. Here it's now copying new files. It's gone through and removed all the shortcuts, removed the previous installation, and now it's installing the new software. If it comes up with any of these prompts to install different drivers and etc., just go ahead and say allow or yes or install, and that should take care of the installation. Here we go, it's all done. I'm just going to start the software when it finishes installation. Here you can see the look and feel is very different, and it's come up with this question asking us to download the extension pack. I do use the extension pack for, different things that I do with the VM, so it's a good idea to install them. Make sure you want to download. Yes, download. So this download is going to take place within Virtualbox, so you don't have to worry about downloading it using the link like I did for Virtualbox itself. So that's a bonus. We're down to about 75% and still going. So it's finished uninstalling, it's done the verification, and it's asking if we want to do another extension pack. That's fine. And we've got new version, current version. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and upgrade because it's going to do some USB driver updates, so that's good. Just drag this down to the bottom, agree, and say yes if you get a prompt from Windows for elevating privileges of the installer. Perfect, that's installed. Do you want to delete the file? Sure, go ahead and delete that. And there we have it. So we've got this brand new looking Virtualbox. If I go to help, about, it should be, I've had a version 5 point something, so I've got a 6.0.14 now. So that's pretty good. Now, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments and I'm happy to answer them. But this is it for this video. These are all the VMs that I already had, so you don't have to delete or recreate any of those. I should be able to start these up and they will all work. Perfect, thank you. I'll see you in the next one. It's great to see that you made it to the end of the video. If you'd like to download all my knowledge as a zip file, hit the subscribe button. To download it as a tarball, use like or share button.